गुड इवनिंग लेडीज़ एंड जेंटलमैन। तो आज का वीडियो है ऑन माइक्रोफोन एंड टुडे आई विल बी टॉकिंग अबाउट a microphone which is बहुत सस्ता है and I'm using it. So I'm sure that there are a lot of people who are looking for sasta sundar tikau types microphone, and this is the product which I'm sure would help you. You don't have to spend much to create your video, and this is pretty neat. बहुत ज़्यादा decent है और voice quality भी बहुत अच्छा है and काफ़ी सस्ता है. It's just for price बाद में बताऊँगा. So watch the video and let me know how did you like the video, and if you happen to buy this product, please feel free and let me know how did you find the product. I personally liked it and इसीलिए इसके बारे में आज बात करूँगा. So let's check out the video. Okay, so this is Maono microphone, which is pretty cheap. Box पे $699 का price है, but I got it for just $300, and the voice quality of this microphone is also good. It comes with a very nice cover, and this 2-meter wire, and this microphone has a cap and a clip which I have already attached to it now, and there are 2 cards in this. This one talks about the product, and another one just gives the specification. It's an omnidirectional microphone. It's written over here, you can see it. It's an omnidirectional microphone. It has a clip, 3.5 mm jack, and it is a 2-meter cable. That's what I said earlier as well, and it has a good voice quality. So what I'll do is, right now I am talking on speaker, and let me connect the microphone so that we can hear the actual voice quality of this microphone. So now I have connected the microphone to my phone while I'm recording this video, and you can definitely figure out the difference between the way it was between the sounds. तो पहले बिना माइक्रोफोन के मैं बात कर रहा था, डायरेक्टली सेलफोन से वॉइस कैप्चर हो रही थी, और अभी मैंने माइक्रोफोन कनेक्ट किया है, which is approximately एक half a feet away from my mouth. So this is a microphone with omnidirection, so it takes sound from all the direction. If I bring the microphone a bit closer to my mouth, जैसे अभी, it will be much more clear, I believe, but I didn't find any problem even keeping the microphone away the way I had kept it earlier, and again I kept the microphone approximately abhi half a feet away है from my mouth, and it's sounding pretty much good enough in terms of sound and voice quality and all. And I liked this carry bag, which is of good quality, and for the price that we have given for this microphone, that is just 300 bucks from Amazon.com. I think it's pretty neat and good enough, because the quality of the product is also good. The quality of the wire, or if I talk about the quality of the microphone itself, or if I talk about the quality of this air filter and the clip. This is a metal clip, it's not a plastic one, so it is pretty good. The pouch, quality of the pouch and everything, so it's a decent deal for 300 bucks. I liked it. If you want to make a YouTube video and you just kind of startup, you're just starting creating a YouTube video and don't want to spend much, I think this is the best microphone I have found for 300 bucks on Amazon.com. We also have other cheap microphone, but I didn't like the quality of those products, और कुछ जिसके quality comparable है. It is ranging between 600 to 1200 rupees, but again, as I say, for 300 bucks, it's a great deal, and a great microphone. So that's my review. I will not say that you should buy it or you should not buy it, but you can figure it out for yourself. I have connected this microphone to the cell phone and making this video, so you can understand the quality of the sound from what you hear right now. So you can figure it out for yourself and make a bet. So thanks for watching this video. Thank you so much. Take care, and you have a great day. Bye bye.